Good day, everyone. I am Johanna Grace L. Bustos, and I'm with my partner, Mr. Kenneth A. Armada, and today we will be presenting our study entitled LITBOOST, a mobile application for enhancing senior high school students' reading comprehension. So, why LITBOOST? So, reading comprehension is still a common problem among senior high school students in the Philippines. Many students struggle to understand what they have read, which affects their overall learning. Because mobile applications or mobile phones are widely used by the students, we have come up in this developing an application which is called LITBOOST, which is designed to help improve reading comprehension. This app includes reading passages, vocabulary support, quizzes, offline access, and a teacher dashboard to help teachers monitor students' progress. So, allow me to read the abstract. Functional literacy remains a major problem among senior high school students in the Philippines, which implies the need for innovative instructional technologies that contribute to the reading comprehension. Mobile applications have been identified as a modality which is easily accessible to learners, allow for interaction, can deliver individualized learning trajectories, keeps learners engaged, and enables scaffolded practice. Accordingly, this study created LITBOOST, a mobile application that integrates level-specific reading passages, vocabulary augmentation tools, assessment modules, offline accessibility, and a teacher dashboard for student monitoring. Software quality of LITBOOST was evaluated based on the functional suitability, interaction capability, and performance efficiency characteristics defined in the ISO IEC 25010-2023. Participant feedback was collected from 16 students and 5 teachers using a 5-point Likert instrument, and weighted mean scores were calculated. Findings showed an extremely high performance rate in every evaluated attribute, emphasizing seamless operation and easy-to-use user interface design and functionality. The participants suggested modest improvements, most importantly, expanded content and better error handling mechanisms. These results highlight the prospect of using mobile applications such as LITBOOST to support literacy development through providing the user with a stable, easy-to-use environment for structured reading practice and systematic educational monitoring. Following problems addressed in this study or in this research is number 1, the functional literacy, particularly reading comprehension, remains a persistent challenge among senior high school students in the Philippines. Next, classroom instruction still lacks sufficient and well-integrated digital interventions that can provide structured, interactive, and accessible reading support for learners. Last, while mobile applications such as LITBOOST have been developed to address these gaps, their software quality has not been systematically evaluated in terms of functional suitability, interaction capability, and performance efficiency. For the methodology, we have used descriptive quantitative method, which design combined with a usability testing procedure in accordance with the ISO IEC 25010-2023 software quality standards. The respondents were asked to use the developed mobile application and afterwards answer a 14-item Likert scale questionnaires evaluating their experience and perception of the system. Next, for the prototype development process, followed these following steps. Number 1, the requirement analysis. Next, system design. Next, prototype development. Number 4, testing and validation. And last, the refinement phase. For the data gathering procedures, we have followed these steps. So, reading comprehension pretest administered to students, and then students used the application over a period of time, and then post-test conducted, and then they have rated the application through a Likert Scare questionnaires attributed for the application, and then responses collected and tabulated for analysis. For the result of the evaluation from the students, it has received 4.78 rating, which is equal to strongly agree or the highest rate in this descriptive ratings. Next, for the teacher's dashboard, the result of the evaluation, it also received a weighted mean 4.87, which is equal to a strongly agree rating of descriptive rating. So this indicated that LITBOOST is powerful, effective, and convenient tool to track and help students in reading comprehension, especially for teachers for monitoring the progress of their students. So the following screens that you can see are the students app interface. So if you're a student user, you will be encountering these following screens. So if you're a teacher, you will encounter this dashboard that will help you monitor the progress of your student. So there's a graph chart there, dashboard overview, and then your students' progress. The app demonstration will be discussed by Mr. Armada.
Welcome to LITBOOST. So ito yung login screen ni LITBOOST. Meron tayong dalawang account for student and for teacher. So simulan natin sa teacher. So ito yung main dashboard ni teacher kung saan may kita yung total number of students and total classes na na-create dun sa application. So baba naman nun may kita yung student performance distribution para makita natin yung saan ba nagpa-fall yung lahat ng student, kung siya ba ay excellent, average, or poor. And then next is the student performance overview kung saan may kita natin yung ranking kung sino ba yung mga students na nag-excel and yung nag-struggle. And dito sa pinakababa is yung pag-identify automatically kung sino ba yung mga students in need of extra support. So dito naman sa classes tab, may kita natin yung mga classes na na-create and pwede tayong gumawa ng panibagong class. Pag in-access natin yung isang class, may kita natin yung students na naka-assign doon, and pwede rin tayo mag-invite ng bagong student by student email or kaya naman by code. So dito naman sa student tab, may kita natin lahat ng estudyante regardless of class. And then pag in-access natin, meron tayo ditong quick insight sa taas para malaman natin kung kamusta ba yung performance ni student. Siya ba ay nag-excel, nag-struggle, or kung merong improvement or kung walang improvement. And meron din ditong suggestion kung ano yung pwede natin gawin para mas matulungan natin sila. Dito sa baba is yung record ng assessment score. May kita natin yung lahat ng tinake nila na assessment, and then pag in-access natin, may kita natin lahat ng questions, kung saan siya tama and saan siya nagkamali. So ngayon, dami lang yung questions natin, but for totoong implementation, syempre yung kung ano yung totoong question is yun. And dito naman is yung passage na binasa ng estudyante para ma-check rin natin. And then yun yung pinaka mga features sa teacher account. So ngayon, punta tayo sa student account. This time, try natin mag-register. Okay, so pagka-register ng student, meron tayo ditong mascot na si Buki na i-welcome si student, and i-inform siya na kailangan mag-take ng pre-assessment para malaman yung current reading comprehension level, and depende sa magiging score yung starting level ng user. So ito yung passage na babasahin. And then kapag natapos ng basahin, start answering. Lalabas yung mga questions na kailangan sagutan. And once natapos, tap submit and lalabas yung score. So this time nakakuha ako ng 5 out of 15. So ang starting level ko is level 1. So ito yung mga levels na kailangan ma-beat hanggang makarating sa post-test. Since mababa yung naging score ko ng pre-test, ang na-unlock natin is level 1 lang. So try natin i-access sa level 1. Meron ditong vocabulary scaffolding na kung saan i-introduce yung mga words na may encounter sa babasahin na passage. So, meron ditong mga word, yung definition, saka yung example sentence. So, pag ready na si user, tap on continue to passage and lalabas ulit yung passage, and kapag ready na sumagot, start answering. So, tsambayin lang natin this time. So, ngayon ako ng 2 out of 2. So, hindi siya sapat para makaproceed sa level 2. Kaya meron tayong retry or kaya naman return home. So, makikita natin na naka-lock pa rin si level 2. So, try natin ipasa si level 1. Okay, so nakakuha tayo ng perfect score and ang passing score natin is 7. So, since mas mataas yung nakuha nating score, na-beat natin si level 1 and pwede tayo mag-proceed sa next level. So, meron din vocabulary or kaya naman pwedeng ang pindutin natin doon is yung return to home kung gusto muna nating mag-visit sa home. So, yan. Ngayon, na-unlock na si level 2. And para ma-unlock si level 3, kailangan din makakuha ng score na 7 pataas sa level 2 hanggang makarating sa post-test. Dito naman sa history, may kita natin lahat ng score na nakuha ni user, and ito yung lalabas dun sa teacher account na pwedeng i-view ni teacher. So, meron din tayo ditong filter kung gusto natin makita yung level 1 scores lang or kaya yung pre-assessment or level 2. But this time, wala pa tayong level 2 or 3 kasi hindi pa natin siya na-access. So, yun yung mga features na meron sa student account. And yun lang yung current features na available sa ating application. So, this application is both hybrid, online and offline. So, pwedeng gamitin kahit walang internet, and kapag nag-connect na sa internet, saka naman masisync yung mga result ni student. So, yun lang po.
But in conclusion, the LITBOOST prototype received a high rating or the strongly agree ratings from students and teachers for functional suitability, interaction capability, and performance efficiency. While overall feedback was positive, suggestions included expanding content and improving safeguards against user errors. So overall, LITBOOST proves to be an effective, easy-to-use platform supporting reading comprehension in senior high school, highlighting its potential as a high-quality mobile-assisted learning resource. So its implication, it supports autonomous student learning and data-informed teaching decisions. And it demonstrates potential for hybrid, tech-aided literacy interventions in schools with limited internet access. For future improvements, expand the reading materials and analytics for skill-specific diagnostics. And integrate adaptive learning, gamification, multilingual support, and LMS connection. Last, recommend wide-scale longitudinal evaluation to measure long-term outcomes. And for our inspirational quotation coming from Kofi Annan, acquiring literacy is an empowering process. enabling millions to enjoy access to knowledge and information, which broadens horizons, increases opportunities, and creates alternatives for building a better life. Thank you.